U.S. Special Counsel Robert Mueller has agreed to testify in public about his report into Russian interference in the 2016 presidential election. He'll appear before Congress on July the 17th. His report outlined contacts between the Trump campaign and Russians linked to the government. But it said there was insufficient evidence to establish a criminal conspiracy. Mr. Trump responded to the latest news on Twitter, calling it presidential harassment.
The head of the U.S. border agency has quit amid an outcry over the treatment of detained migrant children. Last week, more than 300 children were found in an overcrowded facility on the Texas border. Many were filthy, and some said they hadn't had enough food or water for weeks. Most had been separated from their family members at the U.S.-Mexico border, where the number of arrests has been soaring.
Malaysian authorities have arrested 2 men for trying to smuggle more than 5,000 terrapins into the country. The Indian citizens were detained at Kuala Lumpur airport after arriving from China, and the terrapins were in baskets in their luggage and set to be sold as pets in India. This species, the red ear sliders, are apparently the most popular turtle in the pet trade. The haul was worth about 17,000 Singapore dollars.